Another trust signal holders look for in a Solana token, knowing their wallets can never be frozen. In about a minute, I'll show you how to give them that permanently, no code. On j.tools, open token management, then revoke freeze. Every Solana token has a freeze authority, the power to freeze any holder's wallet and stop them from moving their tokens. Useful for some projects, but a real risk for buyers. Revoke it, and that power is gone for good. Nobody can ever freeze a wallet again. And that's what makes holders feel safe. First, connect your wallet from the top right. I'll use Phantom. Now, pick your token. Just paste its contract address or choose it from the list. I'll select the one from my last videos. The tool confirms the freeze authority is still active, ready to be revoked. One important thing, this is permanent. Once you revoke, you can never freeze any wallet for this token again, so do it once you're sure. Now I'll click the Revoke Freeze Authority button. And that's it, the transaction is done. You can see the result right here with the signature, and you can verify it on SolScan. The freeze authority is now gone. No wallet can ever be frozen again. That's a token holders can trust. If this helped, subscribe for more Solana tips. Everything's at j.tools.